Greetings and salutations on this Saturday, December 20th. No, I'm sorry, December 30th, 2023. And it's been a pretty nice day. Yeah, pretty nice day indeed. Now, the clouds finally broke up. It yielded us a glorious day. I have not gotten a whole lot done this weekend as far as the greenhouse is concerned, although I did bring those together, leveled them out, and brought them together with a top. I need to do some thinking about how to bring the bottom together and whether or not I'm going to double stack that pallet and make it 2 layers. Anyway, to firm things up. And then, of course, I haven't even touched the other side yet. But I spent a vast majority of this weekend dealing with the Beaverdam. And the Beaverdam, well, and taking nature strolls, which will be a part of this video. So there's your peace and serenity dose right there. Let's see, just a quick update on the hydroponic system. Just about everybody in the hydroponic system is getting bigger and fatter and feeling quite healthy and happy. Yeah, despite the cold temperatures. And of course, the pallet supply continues to build up. Let's see, what did I do this weekend? Friday, I spent the better portion of the day walking down to the Beaver Creek and attempting to detonate 2 pounds of Tannerite with my late brother's 270 Remington 700. And the soft tips just passed right through the Tannerite, and there was no detonation, which really pissed me off. But the beaver stick, one of the beaver sticks that I've turned into a walking stick, turned out to be the best tool. So I just dug it in and started pulling shit out, and had a good time doing that. Anyway, they left me a nice stick. Their stick did better than the explosives. It's always fun shooting, and I thought it would be a great time just to come out here and blow up a couple of pounds of Tannerite. But every time I shoot this fucking Tannerite, despite the fact that I follow the instructions explicitly, I never get a detonation. Just a whole bunch of fucking powder flying all over the place. That's all I got. You know what was more effective than the explosives? The fucking pole that the beavers made. I dug that motherfucker out and let the water do the work. That pisses me off. I've got to work on a better target. Better explosives. Maybe I ought to use that TATP and fashion me a detonator. Anyway, hopefully this will handle some business. Sorry, not much in the way of explosions, but oh well. Well, she's flowing now. Thanks, beavers. So much for the Tannerite. Yeah. So, anyway, it's been a chilly weekend. Let's see, what else? Just some ancillary things. Let's see, I tied it up in the greenhouse. I stacked a bunch of pallets. I took some of the cardboard that I had and laid a bit more of a perimeter around the greenhouse so that the weeds don't grow. I haven't burned any ass gas this weekend. What the hell did I do on Friday? Stuff. That's all. Well, anyway, I continue the breakdown and making some progress here. It is still a mess, but eventually it'll look as beautiful and lovely and divine as it does inside the greenhouse. I'm trying to remember what I did this weekend. Damn it. Maybe I should spend more time in meditation and reflection. Anyway, Limey's gone to sleep for the year, so I told him it's okay. By all means, please do. The Piney is doing all right down here below the surface of the bucket. Everything above seems to have gotten pretty chilly. So But they've been through some of the worst that North Carolina winters have to offer. Oh yes, I watered everybody, especially the hotbeds for Limey and Piney over there, and the bioreactor. Checked down all the plants, got some water done, and oh yeah, the some of the plants over here are doing great. Some of them not so great, but the shards are doing very nicely. Those are not doing so nicely, but the butter crunch lettuce, this guy's getting a lot bigger. That's the kale transplant. I did a clone of some of the kale that I've got over on the other side, and anyway, so a lot of these plants seem to be doing quite well, and they seem to be very happy with Pisvasa as far as hydroponic solution is concerned. One of these weeks coming up, I'm going to put some air bubble stones, like the fish tank air bubble stones, in the hydroponic setup, and that should actually add, hopefully, will add a tremendous amount of productivity to the whole system, God willing, and. So anyway, it's just been it's been a weekend of playing with the beavers, man. And who was I talking to? Oh, a buddy of mine, Mark. Yes, Mark said beavers will get you into trouble in all cases, and boy was he right. He was being facetious, of course, referring to other style of beaver. Yeah, he ain't wrong. Beavers will get you into trouble. Had a nice big old bonfire, so I sent you guys a nice weekly dose of bonfire. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I mean, there really isn't a whole lot going on. I'm still trying to figure out who the fuck keeps eating my elderberry bush. And I've got the critter cam set up down there, but it hasn't captured anything. I got nothing. So I don't understand what's going on there. Also want to start selling, really selling some hydroponic solution to Pisvasa, because it's really so effective, and it works nicely, and I've got a whole abundance of it. There's a whole bucket, and there's a whole another bucket inside in the biogas digester that I just can't go through it all. So boy, it's top-notch nutrition. So I just need to do the legwork, and because I've already got the labels and the name and all that sort of stuff. But anywho, let's see. This is going to be a long video, so I need to shut my trap and yield to the Piece of Nature video. And with that being said, God bless you all. Happy New Year. Aha, Happy New Year. And yeah, see you, bye. In the interest of enjoying the Piece of Nature, I'm heading out to the Beaverdam, so let's take a stroll. And this is the problem they're causing. Shit. I don't know if crossing here is a good idea. I See, they've constructed themselves a bridge. Let me go button this up. All right. Oh, this might not go so well. I need a stick. Whoa. Oh, another point to cross. There we are. Oh. Oh, let's see. Should have brought the hedge trimmers back here. Holy shit. This has changed. Oh, wow. We'll be back.